So today it's just going to be a quick one. We had an issue getting into fifth gear in this T4 transporter. When it went into the gear, but as soon as you kind of let out the clutch, it would just spin up and not engage any sort of gear. So I've got the gearbox out, taken bits of it to pieces, and just wanted to show you kind of what the issue is that we found in it. So in here we have the fifth gear setup. We have the input gear and the output gear, and normally they have, like on the output here, there's the gear, and then inside there's a row of teeth, and the same thing on the actual shaft, which is in the middle of it. But what I found is I've put some white mark on both the shaft and the gear just to show you kind of how it goes. And what's supposed to happen is they're supposed to be connected through those splines, so when this gear is turned by the input shaft, it should then turn the output shaft through into the differential. But as you can see, when I turn the actual gear, you'll notice that it is not engaging at all, which means as soon as you put it into fifth gear, disengage the clutch, all that's happening is you're just spinning this gear around, and it's not at all engaging with the actual output shaft, so there's no drive going through the differential or to the wheels. Also, what I found is we have a missing gear, and we have half the gear missing on this one. We have the same sort of issue, if I can find it. Oh, here. I don't know, you can probably not quite see it very well, but just in there, there is another gear on the input shaft which is missing the lower half of the tooth, which is a bit of another problem. I found the other half of that inside the gearbox oil when I drained that before. The rest of the gearbox looks absolutely fine. The clutch looks very new as well, even though it's done 230,000 miles. It could probably do another 50, but while it's all apart, I'm going to replace it anyway. And that's pretty much all it was. Just wanted to show you kind of about that issue that we found. I'm sure we'll be bringing out some more videos soon, so keep your eye out for those. Please like, subscribe, and if there's any other videos you'd like to see, put it in the comments below. It'd be much appreciated.